Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and with me, Fraser Gordon of Wowo's Detailing. This is Wowo's Tar and Glue Remover. Fraser, tell me about it.
So Wowo's Tar and Glue Remover, it's dead simple. You can use it for removing adhesives like from badges or the tar spots you see fired up the side of your car. The thing is, it makes it a really easy job.
So I've been using it for quite a while, and I actually really like this stuff because of how easy it is to use.
It is a very strong product. It's very concentrated. We always recommend with this product, please put on a pair of gloves.
Yes, that is a good thing.
But it comes with a chemical trigger, which is chemical and solvent proof.
Okay.
So you can use that to apply it to a pad before application or spray it directly onto the vehicle or the affected area. Just be careful of surrounding plastics just to make sure that it doesn't damage them. But yeah, it's going to do exactly the job that you want.
Well, and what I like about a good tar and glue remover like this or a solvent remover is the fact that you're able to get really a lot of different spots. You don't realize how much adhesive is on a vehicle, or, you know, let's say you are debadging or road tar. You know, here where we are, there's a lot of tar gets sprayed on the streets in the summertime, and you don't realize you go through it, and all of a sudden you got a ton of little black spots. So having that trigger sprayer as well really helps to spray that on. When you're doing your washing, you can just pressure wash it off.
Exactly.
That's awesome. You guys can pick up Wowo's Tar and Glue Remover from theragcompany.com. And for more info on the Wowo's detailing line, you can check out our videos right here on the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.